Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing ABORON 3000 watt electric grain mill, which is a heavy duty corn grinder built for high power large batch grinding. So if you are considering one for serious grain processing, you can just check out the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's understand its standout feature, which is the 3000 watt motor running at 2800 RPM. That's serious power. The grinder is designed to handle the corn, wheat, rice, soya beans, coffee beans, and dry spices quickly and efficiently. It's clearly built for the users who need more than just a small kitchen attachment. In terms of the build quality, the machine features a galvanized iron body and steel components, giving it a sturdy industrial feel. It weighs around 22 pounds, so it's not exactly portable, but that weight adds stability during the operation. The package includes two metal grinding discs, allowing you to adjust the grind consistently depending on your needs. Performance wise, it handles dry grains with ease. Corn, rice, and wheat grind quickly with consistent output. However, this machine is strictly for the dry materials. Sticky or oily items like peanuts or sesame seeds can overheat or clog the grinding discs. That's an important limitation to consider. It's also mentioning the noise level. With this much power, it produces noticeable industrial level sound during the operation. If you are using it in a home kitchen, you can expect it to be loud. The setup is also straightforward, but there is a slight learning curve when you are adjusting the grinding discs properly. Once dialed in through, it performs reliably and efficiently. So if you need serious power for the large quantities of dry grains, whether for small farm, food prep business or heavy home usage, it absolutely delivers. So, but for occasional kitchen usage, it may be overkill. So if you want to check this product out, if you want to know more about it, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.